It has started recording again.
Like it started fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like yeah, you can analyze. So yeah.
Okay. So obviously we're gonna have a quick breakdown, guys. Welcome to the YouTube channel. It's Alex, and then I'm with my man Z. With my man Z.
Yes, sir.
So we'll be doing this analysis for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you take something out of it. So we'll be looking at four pairs. I'll be taking a look at gold and US30, and my man Z will take a look at NAS 100 and German 30. So we are using Google Meet, guys. So this is a new platform for us. We are still trying it out. So if we're having some problems, please bear with us. So
Yeah.
I'll see, my G. Let's get down to it. Let's get down to it. So like I said, I'll start with gold. I'll start with gold. So this is gold on the weekly time frame. I'll just quickly go to the weekly time frame of gold. Right. So okay, from here, what I'm seeing here on this gold, this is my previous low, and then I have this as my highest high. Then obviously here we had this impulse coming down here, and then this was the correction. So this is my other area of significance that I'll be looking at. So from here, I'll just quickly go to the daily time frame without wasting any time. I'll go to the daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, what I want to see, we can see that this is my last area of significance, and then also price broke these lows here impulsively. So usually when price breaks the lows impulsively, we expect it to give us a small correction to go to the downside. So here when it broke impulsively, now we want to see how this price comes back up here. Okay, so now we also have now on the daily this area of significance here. So if I quickly go to the 4-hour time frame, I go to the 4-hour time frame, I have my gold approaching this area of significance. So I want to understand how is it approaching this area of significance. So now looking at the way that it's approaching my area of significance, it's approaching it in a corrective way. I can just have a structure like that, quick structure. So this is what I can see. So we still have this impulse, and then we have this area of significance. So after here, I would expect that my price, this price already, I have this 1 2, I'm expecting a third touch here. I have the middle section here as it is. You can see it, the middle section is there, the middle section of the structure is there, and then now I'll be expecting it to come and give me this third touch up here. So from here, I'll be expecting that this price would come and give me this third touch. I would expect a rejection, a pushback inside, a flag, and then that's where I'll be willing to take this trade. So if I go to the 1 hour, which will be my entry time frame, okay, just quickly remove this. So on my 1 hour, this is what I have. I'll be waiting for that push to here, and then if we get this flag to the downside here, that is when I'll be willing to take the trade. And obviously our first take profit area, will be looking at this 90% of this structure here, because we don't know what can happen from here, right? We don't know what can happen from here, so we'll be looking to take a trade there from the 1 hour. Risk entry, my first target, my stop loss 15 pips. So I cannot do 15 pips on gold. You know the gold, the way it moves, man, like maybe 5 or somewhere there. So on other pairs, usually I do 15 pips stop loss, and then from there I'll be looking to, from here it's 5%, and then from here already we have this 10% risk to reward. And if we break this low, that is when that now this move will open to the downside, to come all the way to the downside, which is here. So my G, That is what I'm seeing on gold up until now using the advanced. Yeah. So as you
Yo,
can see,
hi, yeah, yeah.
as you
Dope
can see.
analysis, my bro. Like no cap. Nice and easy, nice and easy,
Nice and
straightforward,
easy and
straightforward.
straightforward, bro.
Yeah,
Like
nice one.
it's like that's just how it is. That's just how it is, bro. Like that's how we roll, you know, So if we get this move
Yeah,
all the way to the downside, we'll be looking at some 26, 26% somewhere there. So I ate this move last week. This move here.
yeah,
Yeah, so I actually had a structure but then that structure now we can see that it has evolved,
yeah.
when we
It was
trade.
a larger
Yes.
correction.
Yeah, so now it's still evolving and it's still getting to this area here. So on this area, that is where I'll be waiting to see how price will react. You see. So yeah, that's what I have on gold. That's what I
Yo,
have on
this
gold.
guy. We're having a dope analysis, bro. Like no cap. So what I have to do now?
Okay, now let me do this. I have to.
So we are fine.
Yeah, we're live.
So yeah, guys, it's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy. It is me.
It's you, Z.
So I'm going to analyze. Yeah, it's me. These people know me. So like, I'm going to analyze US 100. So first thing first, what you have to do, mark your what, your highest, no, your lower low. I mean, and your higher high of the structure. So and again, we have to see like what type of a pattern do we find here on daily. So whatever the pattern that we find on a daily, we don't have to go to other time frames to try and confuse ourselves because we know what the overall direction. So now Nasdaq broke our what? Nasdaq around here like yo bro, I'm kinda panicking.
Mhm.
And I'm used to this. So Nasdaq broke our what? Nasdaq broke our trend line. So as you can see, so now, like if you go into a lower time frame, we have to wait for the market to give us a what, a push, and wait for a correction on a lower time frames
Not happen.
before shooting up. And again, we're having our what, another level here. So
Mhm.
like it is a very important level. So now let me remove it for now, and let me remove this for now. You can go straight to your what, to your 1 hour, because you know what's happening in a bigger time frame. So let me just try to put things together on my side. So meaning the market caught people on the wrong side of the market, like they were thinking like maybe we're going to sell for a long
Mhm.
time, but now we broke our what? We broke our trend line. So now the market pushed up with an impulsive. So we have to wait for the market to give us what? A correction. So after correction, we will start looking for what? We will start looking for buy opportunities. So bro, I told you me, hey, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Quick, I'm done. Let me just go to a proper time frame, maybe 4 hour,
No.
to see the bigger structure
Yeah.
proper. So meaning we might push up until this level around here, because according to what I know about Nasdaq, so like we might push, like correcting, push
Yeah.
up here, and come back down, maybe to retest something
Yeah.
and
This
correct
level.
and start moving
To
up. So
retest
like
this
yeah,
level.
that's how.
To retest this level
Yeah,
that is breaking out of. You can see where it is now. It's a very important level. Exactly where
yeah.
it is. If you look on the left, also on the left hand side, you see it's very important level
So
here.
like this level.
Yeah. Yeah.
So just
Yeah.
wait for the market to break above, like push
Yeah.
above and come down within what, with a correction. Then we start shooting up. So like that's how you have to look for
Yeah.
Nasdaq. So yeah, you can share the screen on your side.
Okay. Yeah,
So
what
I
are you?
have to.
No, they're just changing.
Okay,
I'm
so
just
like
playing with them. I just want to see what happens here. I'm just playing with them. Okay. Is it fine? My screen, is it fine? So
yeah,
I'm
yeah, I
supposed
can
to
see
look
your
at
screen.
U state, ne? U state US
Yeah,
30 US 30. Okay. US 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is what I have. Let's go. Okay.
hi, your side. I don't know. Everything is fast on your side.
Eh? You mean like when I move the cases and stuff?
Yeah,
Mm. Okay. So US 30. This is what I have. So basically, what I was thinking here with US 30 is that first things first, this could be just a move like this
yeah,
on US 30. It is possible. Okay, then right, let me go to the analysis. I have here this lowest low like that, and then I have the highest high. So with this one, it's slightly different. Now I want to understand how did it get to here. So I
yeah.
can see impulse correction. It looks like it came here really correctively. So if I can go to the daily real quick, okay. So when this price was still coming up here, this was our area wherein we was going to expect the price to go down. Ne? This was
Yeah,
our area. So price, we can see it has broken out of this area to open up to go to the upside. So now we're just going to find this pattern, what really actually caused this move to the upside. So now when I can see here with this pattern, let me just try to find a pattern right there. uh, okay, so this is what I have. This is called store a week, what you can ignore this. Yeah, we can ignore
yeah.
these weeks. So this is how our pattern looks like. So this we can see we have this 1, 2, 3 here below, and then here we have this nice push to the upside, and then here obviously this will be a correction on the smaller time frame. You'll find a nice
Yes, sir.
continuation. You'll find a nice continuation correction. So here we are on the impulse. So from here, obviously, we have these highs, and then we have these areas also as our next highs, which are our area of importance. So if I can just quickly go to the 4 hour here, right there. Okay, so guys, this is actually more or less the same like Nasdaq. It looks like the play that Nasdaq is still going to do. But
Yeah.
this one, it has already played out, because Nasdaq, if you can check, Nasdaq is still on this touch. So this one has already broken out. So that's why people love this one, because it's volatile.
Mm.
Okay, so now,
Yeah.
okay, so this is what I have. I have this impulse. I have this nice move to the upside. So what I could expect here, there are two things that I could expect. It's either this move could give me this correction to continue like this, yeah, and then it just completes this side of the structure. So it will depend on what happens here. So if this one managed to come down here, I'll be monitoring this low here, as this is my previous low. I had this impulse, and then if this one comes here to give me this type of a correction, if it can come and give me this type of a correction, it will be a very good one. So let me just quickly go to the 1 hour to see what's happening. This one's a straightforward, man. This one's a very straight.
Very easy.
Come on, like they're
This one's
straightforward. They're straightforward. Let me just see if I can readjust here. Okay, this is what I have. So if I can just clone this to say something, let me
the way it
just,
is. Yeah.
yeah. So something like this. So yeah, this will be the 90 of this. So if ever we can get this as a running channel kind of thing, this can happen.
Yeah.
it can be a running channel. We have this coming down here and then completing this third touch to go to the upside like this. Even though it's ascending like this, it's all about the last leg. What will happen here on the last leg? How will it get to this to this area here? So if it gets to this area, we will be monitoring price action. Let me put this here. We'll be monitoring price action. If it gets to this, if it gets to do this, to come here, break, and then we'll be looking to take our buys from this area to go to the upside like this.
Yeah.
I, other than that, we can also wait for a small flag since we can see it broke out here. Let me just do this, take this out. We can still wait for a small flag here. Since it just broke, it can give us a small flag here and then continue to go up. So either way, we'll be looking to buy this US30 depending on how it plays out. So it's just a matter of waiting, trading. It's a waiting game. We wait.
If you don't wait, you're
Yeah,
going to lose
you're
money.
going to lose a lot of money. So we just wait and see how it plays out because this thing is playing out nice. We can see the patterns that were inside here, how it was moving. Like it's so nice, man. Like looking at
Yeah,
like how it was moving.
it
Yeah,
was.
it's still going to push to the upside. So we'll see. We'll wait and see what does the. We'll wait and see how it goes. But yeah, we are going to the upside, just like Z said on Nasdaq 100. So it's still the same thing here on US30.
Yeah.
So Z, you can take it with German 30.
Let me just say, so we're fine. So guys, we are now currently looking at German 30, and we are on a what, on a daily time frame. So for me on German 30, I'll focus on what happened on the current. So now this is our what, a lowest low and our highest high. So guys, what you have to know about German 30 is like it moves kind of different to your Nasdaq or your what, your US30. So let's go to 2 hours to see what's been happening on German 30. So and guys, it is much important to always look on your left hand
The
side
left
to know
hand side.
like what's been happening.
Yeah.
So we have another important key level around here. So looking at Gemin 30 for the past few weeks, we were having a what, a reversal. Let me just move this quick. A reversal structure with something like what,
Bottom. Yeah.
your double bottom, and this is our what, 90% rule. So now the market broke our, like we reached our 90% rule. So now we are having an idea. Now we are no longer going to the downside, but looking to go to the upside, to this level around here. So guys, it is important to always know what's happening on your what, on your left hand side. So let me just remove this. Like it was an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, and impulse. So each and every impulse you have to wait for what, you have to wait for
Correction.
a correction. So we are having what, we're having for the market to give us a what, a correction as a sign like it is still continuing to go to the upside. So for Gemini 30, we have to wait for the market to give us a what, a bigger correction around here, so that like, okay, fine. Now we have to look for what, for buy opportunities on Gemini 30. Gemini 30, Gemini 30. So like if none of above or whatever that I've just said doesn't happen, you don't have to like fall in love with your setup. You just have to like like let it be. You know, like if it doesn't happen, okay, it is okay. If it happens, then it is okay. So like for me, I guess I'm done for min 30. And bro, thank you for inviting me or having me on the session, and I appreciate it. So yeah, and guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the comment below so that you know next time when him or me when we're dropping a video, you get notified. So like, don't forget to comment on the section below. So yeah, I'm out.
You know.
So
Thanks,
let me
my man.
just
Thanks, my man. Thanks, my man. Thank you, guys. That was Z from No Name Ghost. They have their channel also, guys. Go and like and subscribe. That's No Name Ghost. Follow them on Instagram. You know how we roll. That's it, guys. We hope you